Hi there, welcome back to Ukulele Kat. We're going to talk about the different strings of the ukulele. So there are 4 strings, and just like you have a name, your strings have a name. Those string names are G, C, E, and A. Once again, G, C, E, A. Will you sing that with me? Ready? G, C, E, A. Nice job. What's a way that we could remember those names? Let's think of a fun phrase with words that start with each one of those letters. How about, great cats eat apples. Or we could try, got it. Glitter cupcakes excite all. It's true, they do. Or you could come up with your own phrase. The strings also have numbers 1 through 4. And they start with your A string, which is closest to the floor. So you can think of it counting up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your A string is 1, your E string is 2, your C string is 3, and your G string is 4. Now that you know the string names, you can tune your ukulele. If you need a grown-up or a caretaker, this is a good time to ask them to help you tune your instrument. And you might want to come back to this video to play those strings again to play along with me. Once you're in tune, I've got some fun activities for you to try with your strings. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
I like to strum.